You are welcome to class. We're beginning with alphabet B and ending with alphabet H. Beginning with the word beer, come, beer, come, beer, come. Number 2, bata, come in. That's when you are inside, welcoming somebody inside. Bata, come in. But when you are outside and asking somebody to go in, you use banye. Number 3, go in. Banye, go in. Let's go. Number 4, bulite, lift up, used for heavy item. Bulite, lift up. Bulite, lift up. Number 5, bupu, carry out. Opposite. Bupu, carry out. Bupu, carry out. Number 6, bute, reversal, carry in. Bute, carry in. Bute, carry in. Let's go to 7. Boar, slaughter. This is not bow. Boar, slaughter. Listen to the sound. Boar, slaughter. Let's go. 8. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. Chere, wait. We'll move. Number 9. Chọpụta, find out. Chọpụta, find out. Chọpụta, find out. Number 10. Chineke, God. Chineke, God. Chineke, God. Number 11. Chụpụ, chase away. Chụpụ, chase away. Chụpụ, chase away. Let's go. 12. Chilite, used for gathering up many things more than one. Chilite, gather up. Let's go. Che, think. Che, think. Che, think. Double E. Let's go. Cheta, remember. Cheta, remember. Cheta, remember. We go to the opposite. Chefu in number 15, forget. Chefu, forget. Chefu, forget. Number 16, da, fall. Da, fall, double A. Da, fall. So draw it longer. Number 17, the husband. The husband. The husband. We'll move to number 18. They write. They write. They write. Number 19. Die, this is not die. Die, endure, something hard. Die, endure. We'll move to 20. Dọpụta, draw out, especially from a hole. Dọpụta, draw out. Let's go to 21. Dozie, arrange. Some would say hazie, but hazie has different meaning. Dozie, arrange. Let's go to 22. Dupu, lead out or see off or escort. Dupu, lead out. Let's go. Number 23. Eze, high, low. Eze, king. Eze, king. We're going to consider same words, different sound. Eze, high, high, teeth. Eze, teeth. Eze, teeth. 25. Ekele, greeting. Ekele, greeting. Ekele, greeting. 26. Ewu, goat. Ewu, goat. Ewu, goat. Let's go. 27. Ewo, shout of surprise. Ewo, ah. Ewo. Let's go. 28. Enyi, friend. Enyi, high, low. Enyi, friend. Let's go to And you are aware that we have reduced most of our videos to ebooks with the aim of giving you material to fall back on and also help you to learn faster even in the absence of your teacher or even when you are offline. These books are unique in the sense that they come with text, pictures and audio which are downloadable. So with these, you have your teacher always with you. How do you get these books? Very simple. Dive into the description box of this video. You will see a link to our bookshop. You can also check our channel description. You will see a link to our bookshop. Click on the link and you will land in our bookshop where you have varieties of books that are simplified and unique, and they will surely help you to learn faster. So hit on any of them and buy today, and you'll be glad you did. Let's go on with this lesson. Same spelling, different sound. Enyi, high, elephant. Enyi, elephant, high. We move. Enyo, mirror. Enyo, mirror. Enyo, mirror. Let's go. 31. Fanye, squeeze in. Fanye, squeeze in by force. Fanye. We'll go to 32. For, blow. As you pass air into anything. For, blow. Let's go. 33. Fopu, pull out. As you pull out weed from the farm. Fopu, pull out. Some will say hopu. We go to 34. Fe, double E. Draw it longer. Fe, fly. Fe, fly. 35. Fepu, fly away. Fepu, fly away. Fepu. Let's go to 36. Foro, remains. In this case, oforo, ato, remains 3. Foro, remains. We'll move on to 37. Fuo, get lost. Fuo, get lost. Fuo, get lost. Let's go. Alphabet G, ga, go. Double A, draw it longer. Ga, go. Let's go. 39. Gafe, walk past or just pass. Gafe, walk past or pass. We go to 40. Gente, listen. Gente, listen. Double E. Gente, listen. 41. Go see, show. Go see, show. Go see, show. Move to 42. Gozie. The O has dot under is O. Gozie, bless. Gozie, bless. 43. Guzo, stand. Guzo, stand. Guzo, stand. 44. Go, read. Go, read. Go, read. Let's go to 45. Ha, they. More than one person. Ha, they. Ha, they. Let's go to 46. Hapo, let go or leave. Hapo, let go. Hapo, let go. Number 47. Hazie, hazie, organize. Hazie, organize. Then 48, you have hieura, sleep. But if you say only here, is lie down. Hieura, sleep. Here, lie down. 49, hicha, clean up. Hicha, clean up. Hicha, clean up. And number 50, horror, horror, choose. We have a bonus for you. Horror, choose. Bonus number now, 51. Hon, see. Hon, see. If you watch closely, you'll see that we didn't do the diagram for alphabet G, which is GB, GH, GW. We're going to do a special video for those diagrams for better understanding. Thank you for watching. Watch again and master them. See you in the next video. KMSA.